Battery refurbishment. Battery refurbishment, people go on the aftermarket and buy another grade B battery and replace it when theirs is bad. The grade B market will not be the grade B battery will not be so much durable like the original one, but someone really can know. At least now I have a new battery, so the content is there, but the quality is really down. Every time your battery runs out, it becomes big or it is at service, it is telling you that the important battery message notice comes in, replace your battery. I advise you to come to our service centers and we are going to remove the BMC plate from your old battery and transfer it to the new batteries, and you do not see the message come in the settings after we are done with the replacement. This is a service most people do not provide because it's quite technical. We have all the equipment that we need to make it possible. Anything Apple covers.